Okay, the next thing that we're going to learn on this Canva platform is how to make business cards. Okay, Canva is all in one, containing different kind of designs in terms of graphics of different kind of content that you want to create digitally and print it. You can do so much with Canva. So let me show you how you can design your business cards to look much more professional the next time you attend that conference or the next time you participate in that event and you want to share your contact, you want to share your address and your website professionally using a business card. So all you need to do is to come over here and just type business card. Okay, so there are different types. You can just see business card portrait or business card square. So I usually use the business card portrait, which is 50 by 85 millimeter. You can see different size, different variety of it. Okay, so you can see according to your brand, according to your content, you can easily come over, design your own or customize your own from the available templates and just export it, and you can share it with virtually anybody, anywhere, in any meeting, and you will stay perfect and protected. All right, so let's say we select anyone that is free and try to see what we can do. Like this one, I kind of like this one, and let's check other ones. I think I like this, so let's say we go with this. Or if you check, you've seen anyone that you like also. I think this one also looks cool. I think this one looks cool also, but let's start with the first one, which is this one, and I think I like it so much. Okay, so this is the front and this is the back of it. Okay, so you can check accordingly. So usually it comes in this format, so you can print it and maybe you can cut accordingly. So this is the format it comes. You can print and cut accordingly. So this is the front page. So let's say put in your business name. So let's say my company, Epic Mentorship. Okay, and then you can check your name over here and you can select all and minimize the name to reduce the sizing so that it fits, or you can increase this, or you can additionally zoom out so you can see it clearly what you are working on. So this is my name, and you can check this your title. What are you doing? So let's say presentation coach, right? So you can see, and you can change this element to anything, and then you can change this color according to your brand. Equally, you can change it to anything according to your own brand. You can change this one also to fit your brand, and you can change this one also to fit your brand, just like so. Let's say we change this one to something like this also, so much better. You can change this one also to anything, change the coloration to anything. Okay, so let's say we go with something like this to fit in the brand, and you can change this very icon or image or logo. You can change it also if you want. If you don't want this, you can delete it and bring in something else that can depict your company. You can come to elements and say maybe something like bird, or you can come over and select and see all these stickers. You see all these stickers, arrow stickers, and you may not like something live, so let's go back. All right, so let's go back. Okay, so you want to put in something, you come to elements and then you can search for anything. Okay, let's say flower, and then you can check around and find something interesting that you can put to represent your company. Or let's say flying bird. All right, something like this, and then you can check something like this. Yeah, this is much better. You can take this and you can reduce the size to something small, and then you can put it here. All right, something small, and then you can put it here and make it a little bit bigger, and you can change the coloration also from here to fit in your brand as well. And I think I kind of like it like this, so you can change who you are already from here. Hello, I am Dr. Rashid, a speech and presentation coach. Okay, so you can decide to increase this so that it fits in perfectly. So this is the first page, and then you can go to the second. This is the front cover, and then you can go to the back cover and change the same thing. You can change it to your brand, change this also to your brand, and change this to your brand as well. And then you can bring that same logo. You can delete this one and go back to the first page, copy this. All right, and now you can come back to the second page and just paste it. Okay, so you can just put in your name, the name of the company, Epic Mentorship, for example, and then you can just change your phone number, your email address, and your street address, and then your name over here, digital marketing expert. Or you can put, so this is the back, so in cases when someone wants to get to your address, you can just see it from here. So once you are done, you are certain you're comfortable with what you've designed, you can just come back and recheck everything. Maybe you want to change this photo, you can come back to upload, and then you can check and upload any photo of your choice. All right, so let's say this time around I'm uploading this photo. You can just drag and drop, double click to resize it, to reshape it so that it fits perfectly, and you can see it has just done that. So once you are certain with what you have, you can easily come to share and download it over here. You can just select the 2 pages now, because those are the pages that you want to download, and just go to your printer and print it front and back so you can cut it out to have your own. Start download, and you can see open with, because we downloaded in PNG, so that's why it has now given us 2 pages, 2 different images. Okay, but for better usage, better you download in PDF. All right, so you can just come over, or if you want to define the edges, you can as well define the edges so it can come out separate. So you can come to this place and just put in something like, come to elements, put something like line. You can see different kind of lines, straight line. You can see straight lines over here. So you can choose on any. Let's say we take something like this and paste. You can change the coloration to fit in, or you can change it to fit into the brand and make it kind of unique. I think I don't like this. Let's put the normal line. Okay, let's put this one. I think this one kind of looks cool. You have to change the color to something visible. All right, so you can see now it is visible. So you can just extend it from end to end so that you know it kind of fits. And then you can put this one also from here, and then you can drag it to the end. And maybe you can know that, yeah, this is, even though I don't like this. Or you can just come over to the main ones. You can just see all the shapes over here. I think the best one is take on normal line over here and just put it, and you can just drag it over here. You can change the color, something like this. Yeah, so when you zoom out, you can see it clearly. I think I don't like this. Select these 2 and you can bring them closer down here, and you can bring this one also a little bit down so it fits. Okay, so I think this is this kind of looks cool. So you can copy this and paste it also on the other side, right? So you can see it, but then we have to bring this one, select this, and you bring them down a little bit, right? So I think this kind of looks cool. So you can just go ahead, download it, but this time around not in PNG. You can do it in PDF print, so you can see it. So the 2 pages, you can just click on download, and you will have it for yourself. The 2 in PDF. Okay, so start download, and you can see open with. You can choose any browser or any application of your choice, and you can open with Phantom PDF, and you can see it just like that. Okay, so this is your business card. You can decide to print it and share it accordingly. So this is the first page, the cover page, or the front page. This is the back page, and you can just print it according to your design and cut it, and then you can use it as your business calendar, as your business card. You can do that also from here. You can change also this one. You can do the same thing, put your address, put everything. This one also is 2 pages. See the at the back of the page, and the bottom one, at the back one, and then you can see the front page. All you need is just to put your name, to change the photo, come to photo uploads, and you can just come over here and just select that photo and just replace. Okay? So you can just easily replace, double click, and you can just bring it up down a little bit, and you can see now it's perfect. So you can change your name and just download it accordingly. and you can use it as your business card. Okay, so this is about business card. Feel free to try it. Feel free to customize the content. Feel free to even redesign even the premium ones. You can just check and try based on the elements. Try to see how you can redesign them to kind of look the way you want them to look. Okay, so these business cards